and happy 2019. I am so excited to be starting the new year with you guys. Also a little bit sick, so if you guys can hear it in my voice, I'm just recovering from a cold. So I guess you guys already saw the title of this video, but I'm cleaning out my childhood bedroom for the first time in about maybe a year or maybe more, like really clearing it out. I need to get rid of pretty much everything because we're turning this bedroom into like a guest room soon. I just want my mom to have a room in the house where people can come and stay, and I just want to make this like very neutral, very guest friendly, I guess, and not so, you know, crazy hot pink and horrible looking. So I'm gonna be doing like a whole room makeover series very soon, like very soon. So make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel so you guys can see the whole transformation to that. Turn my notifications on so you guys know when all the videos are going out. But I'm really excited to like do all of these designed videos while I'm here because we got a lot of work to do. But anyways, the first part to all this is cleaning out all this stuff and getting rid of everything. I don't even know what's in here, and I'm gonna find such crazy things like under my bed. Like I know there's like dance costumes under there, all of my like design portfolio stuff, like there's a lot of things. So I'll share with you guys what interesting things I find along the way. So it's pretty much gonna be a clean with me video slash declutter with me video. I know a lot of people love those, and it motivates so many people to like get rid of stuff at their house. So I hope this video can inspire you to get rid of your things, because trust me, if I can do it, you can do it. I'd say if you don't touch these things in a year, you don't need it. So I'm getting rid of a ton. So let's just go ahead and get started. Over here at this dresser because it's just filled with clothes, and a ton of the clothes I just don't wear anymore, so I need to donate them or get rid of them if they're just garbage. But I'm not keeping this dresser either. It doesn't match anything in my room. My mom just put it in here while I was gone, and I'm like, what is that doing in here? So we're getting rid of it. Got my donation bag, got my music. I'm listening to Billie Eilish as I clean out my clothes because that's kind of my vibe. Love her. So ready to press play. Alright, so this whole dresser is cleared off. I got every single drawer empty. So now this thing is light enough to move outside. So I have a keep pile, which I'll then put all the clothes into this dresser because this is the one I'm keeping. And then I'm starting a donation basket of like stuff, like house stuff. And then this is my keep box. So obviously like pictures and like sentimental things will go into here. This is what I've done so far. Oh, and this full bag of clothes that I'm gonna donate. So that's already filled. It's so, it's heavy already. I have to go through this dresser now and find clothes in there. So I'm just starting off with like clothes so far because I feel like that's easy to get rid of. Let's start with this one now. god, guys, I found my apron from when I used to be a server at a breakfast restaurant. This was like one of my last jobs that I had, and I loved it. I worked at a little breakfast shop, served people coffee and eggs, and I don't know if I should keep it or not. Is it memories? Is it not memories? Will I work there again? Probably not. Oh my gosh. I must have kept this in the same drawer as my apron, but this is a little card they wrote me on my last day of work. The place was called Cora's, the little breakfast place. It says, "Hi Kristen, I was going to write you a nice letter and then I forgot, but then you reminded me." What? "Thanks for always being so cheerful, and even though it always seems like your first day, I can tell you tried, so thumbs up halfway up." That's so mean. Honestly, everyone that was a server there was like amazing, and they could carry like 5 plates at once, and I could only carry 2, so I wasn't really the best, but I was a good server other than that. We'll definitely miss your big smile hovering around here on the occasional Sundays you remember to show up. Oh my god. All the best to you in your future. If you build a nice house or have a gorgeous mini Kristen, don't forget to send a picture. Bye, Kristen. Oh my god, that's so nice. Oh my god, this has to be the worst cupboard to go through. Old books and pencil cases and all that like stuff. I don't think I need any of it, but I guess I should go through it. Oh my god, there's like yearbooks in here, old laptops. Wow. Oh my gosh, my high school yearbook, 2009, 2010. Am I in grade 10 here? Oh my god, yes, this one's in color too. That was not a good year. That is not a good look for me. Look what I just found, one of my old cell phones. When we used to text like this, there's probably still like pictures and stuff on here that I can't get to. Who else keeps old cell phones and stuff? This is gonna be history one day. A vintage cell phone. Oh my god, no. This is my acceptance letter. I'm keeping this. Wow. Oh my gosh. I think these were my first point shoes ever. Look at these. Wow, I literally can't believe that I used to wear these. I want to try it on. Probably won't work with a big sock on. Oh my god, they fit. Wow, they still fit me. Oh my gosh, I miss these so much. These are so cool. This is the type of stuff that I want to keep forever. Like, these are like real memory things. I can maybe show like my daughter one day. Longo's team member Kristen M at the bakery. This was my favorite job ever, working at the bakery. My little name tag. I'm keeping that. That's a good memory. Oh my god, I just found all these blown up pictures. I can't even remember who printed these. Look how cute Kristen looks. Oh my gosh. I love that little outfit, but oh my god, what am I wearing? I literally sent this to Kristen being like, what is this outfit? That one, this one. My mom always takes pictures of us outside of my house when he picks me up. Him and his old car. I'm keeping these, of course. Oh my god, I'm finding such cute pictures. This is baby Kristen. Am I the only one that has all this change laying around their room? Like, look at this giant bag of change that I have. There's probably like $10 worth of change in here. I've been finding so many old wallets. This one feels like there's even more change in here. Oh my gosh. So much change. This is crazy. Please tell me you guys have this problem too. It can't just be me. Why do I have all this? My violin recital? That's when I used to play the violin. Look how cute. I was like maybe 5 or 6, maybe 7 there. Alright guys, this is my first bag of clothes to donate. It's filled. It actually has some clothes with like tags on it still that I'll just never wear. So people are getting some good stuff. I'm just gonna put this in the hallway to make some room. This dresser is completely empty now, except for I just put some stuff back in there that I'm gonna keep. But this top is like so dusty and gross. Like, ew, that is horrible. This coin is literally stuck to this. Like, I can't get that off at all. I'm not sure what it's stuck to. But I do have this big bag of stuff I'm gonna donate. So I have like wallets and jewelry, fake flowers, art stuff. Now I have to go this way and start on this nightstand. Oh, and under my bed. Oh my god. Wow, this is where I put all my dance trophies. I completely forgot about these. Look at this big box filled with ribbons and medals. Oh my god, guys, dance was literally my life at one point. It's all I did. Oh my gosh, so many things. Chloe?
Oh my goodness.
Hello.
Wow. You sure have a lot of stuff. Why would you get rid of this?
Because it doesn't match anywhere now.
You really liked this.
I know.
Oh, you're getting rid of this egg?
What's the egg?
Got this for you.
Oh my gosh. Look at this.
This is from Russia.
What?
You can't give away things that, you know, were memory pieces.
What do you mean? That's not a memory piece
I
to
gave
me.
this to you.
I didn't even know that.
This is a Russian egg. You can't throw that out.
Every time I go through my room, my mom cleans out my to-go basket and takes everything back out.
No, I'm not taking everything back out. I gave you this.
I know, but we can't keep everything like that we travel with that's like a doll. What am I going to do with it?
I've kept all my dolls. My grandmother gave me dolls from around the world, and I've got them in a box downstairs.
That's a rain jacket.
You're throwing out a rain jacket?
I was donating it.
About to see the world in action, what we can be, life with no distractions, we'll get away, this is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow, we can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out, die with my own doubts.
Guys, I just found my interior design portfolio from school. One day I have to take you through this whole thing because it's actually so cool. Those of you guys interested in design and like what a portfolio could look like, this is actually a really fun thing to go through. But oh my god, I need to keep this forever. It's in such a nice cover. I knew I had that under the bed. I have so much of my design work under my bed here, so I need to put it all in like a safe place and keep this stuff forever because this is amazing. Oh my gosh! Look at my ballet tutu. Wow! It's so pretty. Oh my gosh. Wow. This has just been sitting under my bed this whole time. Wow. And it's in such good condition. I think I wore this when I was 14 or 15. This was the last year I danced, and I think I had like the prettiest costumes this year, so this is so pretty. This was for like a point group. Oh my gosh. Guys, I had to put it on. It fits perfectly. That means I haven't grown in 10 years.
Can't believe the work on it.
It like stands up so well.
How much that thing's worth?
I love it. This is so cool.
You should go show your dad.
I can't believe I'm showing you guys this. This is so funny. This was me 10 years ago, guys. 10 years ago with brown hair, dancing on stage. I miss it. I'm pretty sure that's it. Like everything is pretty much gone. I just have clothes, the box. Wow, I have like almost nothing left. So this is pretty amazing. I got rid of a lot of things and kept a lot of really special things. So yeah, let's just get this all finished up. Take the tutu off. Unfortunately, I'm really sad about it. I love it so much. It's so nice. Anyways, I'm gonna get dressed and finish this room off.
Time
guys, finally I can relax. I'm finally done cleaning this room. It's like 12:30 at night right now. I feel so much better. This is exactly what I needed to do to start the new year off right. So now I can like move on and start decorating this room, repaint it, and then I might move on to my bathroom and then just keep going room to room and just change everything. So I'm really excited. I got rid of so many things. I'm donating a whole bag of clothes, a whole box of home decor and just like stuff. And yeah, I found like really special things like that tutu. Oh my gosh. All my interior design schoolwork, my old cell phones, so many good things. So that made it really interesting along the way. But everything is pretty much empty. There's nothing in there. There's pretty much nothing in there. And then my clothes are put away in the dresser behind you guys there. It feels really good. It smells clean and it doesn't smell like dust. And I don't feel like a hoarder anymore. I really encourage you guys to do the same thing in 2019 if you haven't already. Anyways, this voice is like completely going now since it's like really late. So I should end this off right here. But I hope you guys like this little clean with me video. I can't wait for you guys to see what I'm doing next to this room. So make sure you guys are subscribed so you guys can see the whole transformation. I'm so excited. I have such a nice vision. This is gonna be like my favorite room in the house. Click the red subscribe button down below and turn your notifications on so you guys are notified every single time I post a video. And if you guys like these clean with me videos or organization videos, anything like that, give this video a big thumbs up and hit that like button. And yeah, I hope you guys are having a good new year so far. Sorry about my voice for this whole video, but love you guys so much and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.